Cosmetic dentistry is very intriguing, very exciting part of dentistry. This is totally elective service. This is something which we love to do because it's basically instant gratification, not only for the patient but for the dentist as well. We can do work which actually changes the patient's appearance. Even though we strive to do all our dental treatments as cosmetic, and that's why we call ourselves aesthetic dental centers. We have aesthetic dental center of Bergen County, aesthetic dental center of Morris County, aesthetic dental center of Hackensack, and aesthetic dentistry of Rutherford County. But also there are some procedures which are specifically geared towards cosmetics. And we start with a very simple one. We're talking about teeth whitening, which could be done at home or in office. We have proprietary formulations which are being distributed through the dental offices only, and they are effective, they are efficient, they are easy to administer, and we can provide that to the patient to take home. Ultimate result for the teeth whitening would be in-office whitening, and Zoom lamp is advanced cutting-edge technique in order to achieve that, and we do it here in our practices. As well as we're talking about more advanced dental procedures of cosmetic nature, and with this we're talking about cosmetic crowns and dental veneers. These are total smile makeovers. These are cosmetic smile makers, and that's why our strive is to enhance and create beautiful smile for every person interested. Smile comes first.